Hi everyone, it's Mindy from MommyMouseClubhouse.com, and today I'm going to share with you my recipe for chilled sugar cookies with pink frosting. They are super delicious and are sure to be a hit with your family, just like they are with mine. Please take a minute to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you won't miss any new recipes, and let's get started. For the sugar cookies, you'll need 10 tablespoons of softened butter, a half a cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of powdered sugar, 1 egg, 1/4 cup of sour cream, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. First, whisk together the flour, baking soda, and salt in a medium mixing bowl, then set aside. Cream the butter and the granulated sugar together for 1 minute. Then add the powdered sugar and mix for an additional 30 seconds. Add the egg, sour cream, and vanilla extract. Mix for about 30 seconds in between each addition. Mix the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients a little at a time until fully incorporated. Scraping the sides of the bowl is necessary. For giant bakery-style cookies, scoop the dough into a 1/4 cup cookie scoop and place it on a parchment-lined baking sheet about 2 inches in between of each ball of cookie dough. Bake the cookies at 375 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes until the center looks set, but the cookies have not yet begun to turn brown. Remove them from the oven and immediately press a flat measuring cup on the warm cookies to flatten the top. Allow the cookies to rest on the large baking sheet before transferring to a cooling rack for 30 minutes. Chill the cookies in the refrigerator while making the frosting. For the pink buttercream frosting, you'll need 1/2 cup of softened butter, 2 to 3 tablespoons of heavy cream, 1 teaspoon of almond extract, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 2.5 to 3 cups of powdered sugar, and 1 to 2 drops of neon pink food coloring. Add the butter to a stand mixer and whip until light and fluffy. Add 2 tablespoons of heavy cream, vanilla, and almond extract, then mix. Add the salt and then the powdered sugar 1 cup at a time and mix for 1 minute in between each addition. Add a few drops of the pink food coloring until your desired pink frosting color is reached. Scoop 2 tablespoons of frosting on top of the cookies and use an angled spatula to spread the frosting evenly over the cookies. Cover and chill the cookies for 60 minutes before serving. Then keep leftovers refrigerated. I hope you love these sugar cookies as much as I do. The full recipe is in the description, as well as a link to the printable version over at MommyMouseClubhouse.com, where you can find even more delicious recipes. Please consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time.